vital signs dry, my battle lines going no war. Yeah. Feeling the rhythm inside of my chest, all I need is just a pen. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. Care for the critics, my mental life physics, a force that they can't stop.
Okay, it's amazing, right? This ad you just watched was 100% AI generated. Even I was blown away by how realistic the AI rendered scenes turned out. Today, I'm breaking down my entire production workflow from start to finish. For this project, I used TapNow, a professional AI video creation tool built on an infinite canvas framework, powered under the hood by the Seedance 2.5 video generation model. As you can see, the canvas workflow is actually way less complicated than you'd expect. Let me walk you through it step by step. The whole AI video pipeline breaks down into 3 main stages: asset generation, AI video clip generation, and post-production editing.
Now we enter the main interface of TapNow. To get started, move your cursor over to the canvas area. Then simply double-click anywhere on the empty space to create a brand new image node. As you can see right here, there is a dialog box displayed on your screen. Inside that specific dialog box, we are going to go ahead and paste the prompt that we have prepared, which will then be used to generate an image of a skateboard for us. There are a few key parameters that we can configure right here in the settings menu. This is the specific section where you select the primary model for generating your image. For this particular example, I have chosen Seedance 5.0. You also have the flexibility to select your preferred video quality settings, as well as the aspect ratio that best fits your project. And finally, this area clearly displays your remaining credits. We click Generate. After generating the image of a snowboard, we click this and it will create a node. We will use this image to generate a 3-view drawing of the skateboard. Why do we need to create a 3-view drawing? Because a 3-view drawing can provide the AI with more angular references to lock in the object's shape, proportions, and details. Okay, we can see that the 3-view drawing of the snowboard has been generated. Next, we are going to create a new node to generate a complete 3-view drawing of the character for our project. We copy this section and in the same way click Generate. Here we select the aspect ratio and change it to 16:9 mode, which allows for more content in the frame. Alright, so now that we have finished the process, our unique character image has been successfully generated and is ready for you to use. We can see that the overall effect is quite good. So up to this point, our skateboard and character assets have been generated. Next, we can proceed to the video generation phase, creating an empty, serene scene of a majestic snowy mountain. This will help us visualize the landscape. Simply double-click on your video clip, then double-click on any empty space on the canvas. Once you have done that, our system will automatically generate a new video for you. For this particular project, the model we are choosing here is Seedance 2.5. We don't need to change these parameters, and the generation aspect ratio is 16:9. Next, we are going to take this specific prompt that we have just prepared and carefully copy it so that we can then paste it directly into the designated text input box on the screen. After waiting for a while, our video is generated. Let's preview it. Okay, it's pretty good. Next up, we need to generate a high-quality video of a person skiing. To achieve this, the generation process must be carefully based on both the character's specific 3-view drawing and the skateboard's detailed 3-view drawing as well. So to get started, we simply drag the required node over into the workspace, and then, once that is in place, we proceed to drag the character's node over as well to complete the setup for our generation. By following this approach, our video will be equipped with 2 distinct reference materials. This allows us to cross-reference information effectively, ensuring greater accuracy throughout the editing process, and helping us create a more polished final product. First, we simply enter the prompt into the text box, and then, once you're ready, just go ahead and click the Generate button. After waiting for a while, our video is generated. That's awesome. Just like that, by combining the skateboard and character materials, we've generated a series of video clips. The next step is to import these video clips into the corresponding editing software, and then we can create the complete video.
Honestly, the workflow itself is pretty straightforward. The real challenge is nailing the prompt engineering for the video generation. TapNow paired with the Seedance 2.5 model is genuinely powerful, and it lets you get results that come close to cinematic quality. That's the full breakdown of how I made this AI ski ad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow the channel.